Wow, very nice. Another Sanne, generic. But instead of Schäfer, with Cronenberg fixtures like Semag. 1986. Let's go. Wow, very nice. Cronenberg fixtures from Germany, similar to Semag. There's no flow indicator. Let's go down to basement. I believe this is traction. There's the old certificate. Signed in 1987. Interesting, huh? It's maintained by TKE. I saw their fan park outside, not far from here. Probably doing some maintenance around here. Alright, let's go up again. This is the open button. Very nice. Oh, maybe this is hydraulic. But yeah, nice car interior. Now I really wonder if this is a Semag, actually a Semag, but installed by Sanne. Yeah, I don't know. The old light and the sign there. A few. LLP up here. Let's go down. 1. Very nice old Cronenberg fixtures. Safe line, not original, obviously. Very nice. Again, 1986. The floor is wet because it's snowing here in Ålesund. Final car view. Very nice old style. That's it.